Ready? Hey, it's John. We're kind of introducing our new fuel rail for the Can-Am X3. We've been using other fuel rails for quite a while, but they never really did exactly what we wanted. And this fuel rail we designed to work with the stock intake manifold as well as the stock hardware. There was some design changes and simple stuff, just like how the fuel rail mounts to the intake manifold. We did some other trick things with the way the injectors are held into the fuel rail. So factory has like a little clip that kind of slides around the rail. This fuel rail we designed uses some little stainless steel clips that slide around the injector, like so. Alright, so these clips slide into where that factory clip would mount, and then they bolt into the fuel rail, like so. And when these things are installed, that injector cannot pop out. It also serves as a machine. It makes it a little bit easier for us to machine it, because when we have to flip this thing from being in a vise, well, it's in a vise like this, then we have to machine the top of it. We can bolt into this rail now without showing any marks from holding onto it. So every kit is going to come with a bag and Loctite to secure those bolts in there. And the other thing was, clearly we've designed like a pretty awesome intake manifold with the ability to run 6 injectors. And a lot of the intake manifolds we've used in the past kind of had 2 different rails, and they were really difficult to deal with. So if you're thinking about doing like a 6 injector setup, whether it's pump gas on one rail and E85 or methanol on the other, or just you need a lot of fuel, we designed this to be very simple, and it can use these rails in both spots. So the rail has an in and an out. We have the factory fitting that you can use to adapt to the factory fuel lines. This is -8 on both sides, so I like a larger volume fuel rail. It tends to help in tuning and stuff like that, and having a little bit larger volume there. So that was why we went to -8, but you can always adapt down to -6 if you want to run the fuel line -6 to the rail. Out the other side, they come with a plug. This is generally how they're going to come, but this plug can be substituted for another fitting or a pressure sensor or whatnot. So just wanted to go over that real quick. I think these rails are awesome. They look awesome. They're going to come raw billet or an anodized option. So the raw billet is fine for gas and ethanol. If you want to run methanol, highly recommend doing the anodized rails. So I think these are listed for about $250 on our website, $249, and it's going to come with, obviously the rail, the fittings, and the little install package. So thanks for checking this out.